Standard's news update. Here are the top stories for the hour. RBI ushers in Rajan as the new head amid the rupee storm. The August services PMI contracts further and is the weakest since 2009. Volkswagen considers raising prices of its products. Now the news in detail. The rupee slipped towards a record low against the dollar today, providing the incoming governor of the RBI with a test of fire as he takes over in the middle of a slump in confidence in the economy and its currency. Raghuram Rajan, Chief Economic Advisor and former Chief Economist at the International Monetary Fund, takes over in a public ceremony today. He enters office as the economy struggles with decade-low growth, a record current account deficit and a steep fiscal shortfall. The worries about the sluggish economy and a lack of confidence in how policymakers have addressed it so far have appreciated the rupee. The currency fell to a low of 68.62 today, not far from its record low of 68.85. After contracting for the first time in 20 months in July, the growth in the services sector, which occupies the largest segment in the Indian economy, fell further in August, according to the widely tracked HSBC Purchasing Managers Index for Services. The services PMI contracted to 47.6 points in August, the weakest since 2009 from 47.9 points in July, indicating more contraction in this sector amidst falling volumes of incoming new work and tough economic conditions. A reading above 50 shows expansion while below 50 means contraction. German car maker Volkswagen said it is considering increasing the prices of its products to offset the impact of rupee depreciation. Managing Director for Volkswagen Passenger Cars Arvind Saxena told reporters that the rupee depreciation is impacting their margins very heavily. They will have to increase their prices soon. They're currently working out the quantum of it and they might take a call around September 10. He added that the industry is in a very tricky situation as the demands are low. That's all we have for now. Join us again later for more news updates. Thank you.